Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video will show you how do you communicate between two Rockwell or Allen Bradley processor. Say for example, from one control logics to another control logics, or between a control logics and a compact logics, or between two compact logics. Now, one of the most common practices and very easy to use the concept of produced and consumed tags. What it means, one PLC produces the tag, the other one consumes the tag, and vice versa. So let's go ahead with the project. So once again, understand the project concept. In this example project, we have two compact logics processor, but those are different processor. The first one called line 1, we have compact logics L23E, and the second one named line 2, and we got L16ER processor. Remember one thing, both the processor got a different IP address. Line 1 got 192.168.0.10, whereas line 2 got a similar but .20. Currently, actually I'm online with both the processor. On the left window, we have line 1. On the right window, we have line 2. And you can see all the controller tags. We have selected the monitor tags of both the processor. Now, you have tags like line 1 to line 2, as well as we have tags line 2 to line 1. See it very carefully. Whatever line 1 to line 2 we are typing here, the second processor immediately receives that. And the same thing when you type line 2 to line 1, it comes back to the line 1 on the left window. It's like both ways communication, and we can communicate a binary in form of double integer or well as real so that we can use decimal points. You should be definitely able to build many more tags, but just for this example, we kept it very simple, like 2 on each side, double integer and real. This is the project looks like, so let's build it from scratch. So let's refresh once again what exactly we are going to do. So we have line 1 compact logics L23E and line 2 compact logics L16ER with the IP .10 and .20. So this is line 1. We have exactly the same compact logics now, which is L23E. Now, right click on its Ethernet port, insert a new module, and our objective over here to insert line 2 CPU, which is L16ER. But make sure you enter absolutely correct the IP address, which is .20. This is how the first PLC recognizes the second PLC. Remember one thing, save the project. Now, again, we are into line 2. Do exactly the same thing like you did for the line 1. Right-click the Ethernet port, insert the first CPU, which is L23E. Once again, make sure you are entering the exact correct IP address, which is .10 for this one. Save the project. Now next, we would be creating tags that would be exchanged between the two processor. So double click the controller tags, make sure you have selected the edit tags and start typing the tags now, like line 1 to line 2, double integer. Line 1 to line 2, that will be in the real format. And the other way, line 2 to line 1, double integer, and line 2 to line 1, real. Real means we can exchange the decimals. Now right click, select the properties, and we would like to declare the first two tags as produce tags. And the last two, again the properties, edit tags. Here we select consumed, hit the connection. Over here you see the line 2 processor. Select OK. Do the same thing for the last tag as well. Means consumed, connection, line 2. You also need to type the exact tag name. Save the project and let's copy all the tags. We will paste those tags to the other processor now. So this is our line 2. Once again, we are in the controller tags and we just pasted the previous tags right over here. Note one thing here, the produced tags of line 1 are the consumed tags for the line 2 and vice versa. That is, the produced for line 2 are consumed for line 1. Anyway, now save the project and let's download it to the respective processor. So this is line 1. We are downloading the code. This is in the program mode, and eventually we want to change it to the run mode. So we have it in the run mode. This is the IO module. Well, this is now we are in the line 2. We do the same thing, download to the line 2 processor. Again, changed to the program, and we will change it back to run mode. So right now we have downloaded both the codes to both the processor. Both are running. Let's have a look into it. We open controller tags, this time monitor tags, not edit. So we have line 1 to line 2 binary, line 1 to line 2 real, and again have a look into both the windows exactly the way we started at the very beginning of the project. Thanks for watching.